Whether it's a kitchen or a restroom, a medical facility or an office, these spaces require sanitization to function properly. But it's not just whether or not an environment looks clean. Our goal is to sanitize, to protect health, to meet compliance, and to support performance. Cleanliness isn't an option, it's our responsibility. And for us, excellence isn't a goal, it's our standard. But what about your facilities? Are they truly clean or only on the surface? Can your employees tell the difference? More importantly, have they been trained to do something about it? Imagine a training program that is designed to take the guesswork out of cleaning, to deliver consistent, quality results. An expert-led, hands-on curriculum designed specifically to reduce downtime, prevent accidents, and help you pass inspections with confidence. Wouldn't that be a program worth investing in? Well, this is that program. Welcome to the Cleaning Science Institute. At CSI, your team will be trained by industry experts, equipped with the latest techniques and tools, and certified to meet the most rigorous cleaning standards, from chemical handling and equipment use to contamination control and site-specific protocol. We cover it all. Our goal is not only to teach the cleaning techniques, but to teach the science and safety of cleaning. Are you ready? Let's get started.